What's up, you guys? I gotta kind of preface this video right here because, well, honestly, it's not something that I actually intended on making into a video for the channel. I just recorded it just in case something cool did happen. And well, originally the video that I had planned for today kind of fell through, which you'll see why in the beginning of this video. Here, I originally intended on it just being a casual cruise to go get some lunch with a friend and bring the cars out, you know. Well, I'm kind of hooked, to say the least. Needless to say, I am hooked. This is like future goals. I'm going to get one of these cars eventually one day. Somehow I'm going to make it happen. Now, a quick overview of the car. It is a Calvo Motorsports twin turbo Dodge Viper. It is originally an ACR Viper from, I think, 2016, maybe 2017. Not 100% sure on that. The car dynoed at 1,400 horsepower and 1,250 foot-pounds of torque. He has actually the same tires that I have on the back of my car, except his are 345 wide tires. Now, I'm not going to give you the full breakdown of the vehicle because one day we're going to do a full review on this car, and that's something you guys won't want to miss. So if you aren't already subscribed and would like to see a full breakdown and review of this twin turbo ACR Viper, be sure to drop a like and subscribe to the channel, and so you can catch that at a later point and also get more action of this beautiful machine behind me. So with that said, let's jump into today's video. I really hope you guys enjoy this one. But obviously, if you haven't already, go check out the website, support the channel, support your boy, billybuilds.com. I'll put the link down in the description. It is still 15% off the entire website through the end of November, so go check it out. Discount code DevilZ. Okay guys, I'm doing some final checkovers on the car real quick. We are going to meet up with a friend of mine who's got some really sick rides. I don't know for sure what will come of this video, but it should be pretty freaking cool. I am looking for something right now because I'm kind of in a rush, but at the same time I gotta find it. And that is my, my GoPro mount for the window. So I'm gonna find that, and then we're gonna get going on the road here. This is not happening right now. I went to remove my GoPro off the glass and it fell onto my laptop. Totally just destroyed my laptop. I can't, like, I think she's done. This is ridiculous. This is so annoying and depressing all at the same time. I can't do it. So just a little backstory on this car. This is Kirk from Boost Lab. If you guys have ever had turbos rebuilt or anything like that, you've probably ran across this company. This is his Calvo Motorsports twin turbo Dodge Viper. I believe it's a 13 or 1400 horsepower package. I could be wrong, it might even be more than that. But the car runs and drives like a factory Dodge Viper with AC and the whole 9 yards. Like, honestly, like, I would love for this car to become something of that caliber one day. Maybe not quite that much power, but just to have all the comforts of a nice running car with AC that you can drive on the street if you want. It is just all around an extremely nice car. Doesn't make enough power in sixth gear. cool. Woo! Oil temps are getting up there. I might need to get a bigger oil cooler for this thing if I'm gonna do this. Oh man. What a freaking drive, y'all. Hell yeah.